Come listen to me story, Molly Bond. Sure I'm bound for that's the glory, Molly Bond. For I've listed in the army where those eyes no more can harm me, but they'll kill me while they charm me, Molly Bond.
Musha Brian, you've been drinking all your own. I can tell it by your winking, Brian, oh. But you'd ne'er be such a villain as to take the Saxon shilling and to do their dirty killing, Brian, oh. And sure what will all the boys say, Brian, oh, when you've turned a red coat heathen, Brian, oh. I'll go listen if it please you, up you villain, do not tease me, faith you drive a calling crazy, Brian, oh.
'Twas yourself that drove me to it, Molly Bond. When you read me death you rue it, Molly Bond. When a dime is blood and wrestling and a boss like killer whistling, I am bloody bayonets bristling, Molly Bond. And the last words I'll be speaking, Molly Bond, when my soul is slave is taken, Molly Bond. On Grandma Cree's story in your old suite at Brian O'Geen, for you his blood is pouring, Molly Bond.
Sure, I done us all to prove you, Brian, oh. But I hate you and I love you, Brian, oh. But keep up your heart of Cora, for I'll buy you out tomorrow, or I'll die of shame and sorrow, Brian, oh. And to think that you should doubt me, Brian, oh, and myself so wild about you, Brian, oh. Would you let the thief alone and come and wed me in the morning? Faith, you might have given me warning, Brian, oh.
Oh, I'm strong and hale and hearty, Molly Bond. Sure I'm one like Bonaparte, Molly Bond. And the devil I listed for the sergeant, tried and missed it, and your man you've now confessed it, Molly Bond.
Sure, I'm killed right out with screaming, Brian, oh. It's myself that thinks it's gaming, Brian, oh. Since you didn't take the shilling just to save your life, I'm willing to get wet, behave you villain, Brian.